na naman.
Sorry, Sorry.
Kaya tanga na kong tanga, pero mahal kita!
Trust? Wow! Big word! Sige nga, Mr. Montenegro. Interesado ako marinig kung anong sasabihin mo. Let's talk about trust.
Ang mundo ay isang malaking quiapo. Maraming snatcher. Maaagawan ka, lumabang ka.
Alam mo kasi, ang marriage, para yung exclusive village. Kailangan mong bantayan para hindi makapasok ang mga squatter.
Tsaka ano ba mas madali kalaban? Yung putang mahirap o putang mayaman?
Kaya etong sasabihin ko sa'yo, makinig ka! Huwag kang bitter!
Eh di hindi na kung hindi. Ano problema mo?
Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. I don't need tissue. Please stop judging me. Please, stop!
Huwag ka nang magsinungaling, Victor. Alam ko may babae ka, alam ko may kabit ka, alam ko may ibang pamilya ka!
Bakit kasi may mga babaeng papatos sa lalaki kahit na alam nilang hindi pwede?
A woman only becomes a mistress when there's emotional involvement. At wala akong balak ma-inlove sa'yo.
It's not love either. So stop thinking that in your twisted, psychotic, delusional little head.
There was never an us.
You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard, copycat.
Shut up. Bitch ka lang. Ako, super bitch.
I've changed. I've changed for the better.
O talaga, tol?